crazy welding people from YouTube. How you guys doing? I hope you guys having a good day. As you can see here, I have a new welder machine. That's right, it's a vintage 300. Oh my gosh! You might ask. Well, a friend of mine, which is a friend of mine that is welding right now in this project. This is his welder machine. It has a remote and everything, but this bad boy broke down. It runs and everything, but the screen doesn't work. You know, doesn't tell him what amperage he has or whatever. It runs, but it doesn't weld. So, you know, until he fixes his machine, he asked me if he can rent my welding machine, which I said, hell yeah. That's why, you know, you saw that my truck was empty for a little bit, and now I'm gonna be carrying his welding machine until he fixes welding machine. All right, but now, guys, I haven't sold my welding machine or anything. I haven't used my welding machine really, guys. It only has 200 hours, so it's pretty much new. So it haven't broken in yet. They told me they broke in 400 hours, 500 hours. So, you know, he's gonna use it for a couple of weeks. Hopefully he can get the part for this vintage pretty soon. I think it's just something that it's electronic, because the engine is good. It turns on and runs and everything, but it's just not welding right. Alright, but yeah, guys, it's a quick video for you. Show you what happened to my welding machine. I know a lot of you guys worry about Captain Manny. I appreciate it, but I'm not gonna sell my welding machine on my truck. I'm gonna try to get at least one welding job, you know, rig welding job. All right, and we'll see how it goes. But also, I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna choose the winner right now, and the winner is all right. So the winner of the giveaway, I'll be contacting you to ask you for your name and everything. So congratulations to the winner. All right, Super Clean is gonna send the stuff to you directly. I'm just gonna get the information from you. I'm gonna send it to Super Clean, and they'll send whatever gifts they have for you. All right, but other than that, guys, just stay safe out there, keep welding, God bless, and I'll see you next time. All right, bye.